Friday. Residents are advised to remain vigilant, as further rainfall could exacerbate existing damage and hinder recovery efforts. Safety precautions. Residents in affected areas should stay indoors during severe weather conditions, avoid low-lying and flood-prone areas, secure outdoor items that could be displaced by strong winds, regularly monitor local news and weather updates for real-time information. For those seeking assistance with roof repairs and waterproofing due to storm damage, Hilltop SA offers specialized services in the Gauteng area. Given the forecast of continued rainfall and potential thunderstorms in the coming days, residents are encouraged to stay informed and prioritize safety.